Welcome to our video journey where we explore the fascinating world of pronunciation, unraveling the mysteries behind each word and its usage. In this video, the word is absorbable. 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 Absorbable is an adjective used to describe something that can be absorbed or assimilated into a larger entity, often referring to substances that can be dissolved, soaked up, or incorporated. It's commonly used in medical and scientific contexts to describe materials that can be absorbed by the body. Here are some examples. Example number 1. Absorbable sutures are used in surgery because they dissolve naturally over time, eliminating the need for removal. Why absorbable use in example number 1? In this example, absorbable describes the type of sutures that can be naturally dissolved by the body. Example number 2. Certain minerals in the soil are not absorbable by plants, affecting their growth. Why absorbable use in example number 2? Absorbable is used to describe minerals that can be taken up by plants. Stay tuned for more linguistic wonders and join us in unlocking the magic of language. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep speaking, writing, and embracing the beauty of words.